How much of it did you see?
You trying to look all relaxed?
You can always see right through me. I promise I'll get these back to you as soon as I can.
For real? You don't recognise them?
They're mine.
You left them in my room.
Well, thank you.
Look, I don't have a lot of time.
I know. How's your dad?
He's good. He's getting into astronomy now. You know, spend your whole life working on cars and now he's obsessed with the cosmos. Yeah, it's been an interesting turnaround.
And your mum?
Still herself. You're not going to ask about me or...
Sorry, how are you?
I'm good. I'm better. I just finished moving for work. I'm working now as a copywriter.
Do you still play?
When I can. Yeah. I got a new cat. His name's Augustine.
Augustine.
Don't. I really like the name. He's really cute. I think you'd like him.
It is cute. I'm just saying it's absolutely ridiculous.
I also quit smoking again.
I'm glad.
Yeah. I just hope it sticks this time.
I just keep thinking about how I left you alone, and it's unbearable. It's not fair.
No, it really isn't. But I guess I hadn't asked either.
I should have asked. I keep listening to that song over and over again.
I'm really glad I filmed it.
Me too. Because then I can pretend that we're not over, or at least until the video stops. I'm really sorry it took so long.
I didn't even think this day would come. You know, I can't keep waiting. I really can't.
I'm sorry.
You know, I really did think about it, you know, not coming. You broke my heart.
I know. I know.
Was it worth it?
No. I shouldn't have stayed.
No, you shouldn't have. But, you know, for all the dark days, you at us at Brightview Beach, you know, that night you really sure loved surviving.
Stick to what you're best at. I can't believe I brought you to this place. Like, this place has so much evil in it.
Yeah, there was. But, you know, there's a lot of beauty in it too.
What do I do now?
I don't know. But I always said that I was going to be here for you. Okay?
I'll be okay. I will.
love you, Eve. I really do.
I love you too.
Are you sure you're going to be okay?
You know me. Next time. Next time.